Getting at this point in time, cow slaughter on Bakrid not essential to Islam. Now, this is what Madras High Court has observed. Madras High Court has banned cow slaughter. A bench of Justice G.R. Swaminathan and V. Lakshmi Narayan also directed the Chief Secretary to the government and the Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order to issue suitable instructions to all officials concerned to ensure that there is no breach of the order. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini joining us live right now for more on this. Dharini, give us more details of this big order that has come in from Madras High Court.
Well, this order came through a PIL filed by an individual named Surya from Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. In that, a public interest litigation, Surya had told that many temporary shelters are being established across Tamil Nadu for cow slaughtering on the occasion of Bakrid, and this should not be allowed, is what the PIL had stated. So, while hearing this petition, Justice G.R. Swaminathan and V. Lakshmi Narayanan had now ordered the Chief Secretary and also the DGP of the state that cow slaughtering should not take place in Tamil Nadu, not only on Bakrid but on any other day. That they've imposed a ban on cow slaughtering and calves slaughtering across Tamil Nadu. In fact, while passing this order, the court has made very interesting observations. The court has, told that even during the rule of many Muslim kings in India, cow slaughtering was abolished. And Justice G.R. Swaminathan has in fact went on to say that sacrifice of a cow on Bakrid was not an obligatory act for a person professing Islam. So it is not obligatory for all the Muslims to sacrifice a cow on the day of Bakrid is the comment that is coming from Justice G.R. Swaminathan. And they've also went on to say that in the past, when many Muslim kings were ruling across many regions in India, even at that time they were making attempts to abolish the slaughtering of cows, is what he has told in this particular order. And now on the day of Bakrid and also on other days, cow slaughtering should not be allowed across Tamil Nadu, is what this particular order says. And this order has been directed towards the DGP and the Chief Secretary of the state. And in the next hearing, the court will get an update from the Chief Secretary and the DGP about its complaints.
Right. Dharini, request you to please stay on with us. Now, this has triggered politics as well in Tamil Nadu. Let's first, viewers, get you the reaction that we've got from the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP is hailing Madras High Court's order and has also dared TVK, the ruling party, to implement this particular ban. And this is a post, in fact, that has been put out by Narayan Tirupati of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And he's asking, what will they say? They'll say, we'll follow the court order. Why did they leave out the phrase in places without permission? Oh, doesn't the law matter to you? So this is the post that has been, in fact, viewers, put out by the BJP. BJP is hailing the court order, the Madras High Court order, and has dared TVK government to implement the ban. And we have a reaction now coming in from DMK as well. DMK, in fact, is raising questions on Vijay's ally IUML, and the DMK has dared IUML to clear stand on this particular order. In fact, this is a post that has been put out by A. Sarvanan of DMK. He says, and I quote, the Madras High Court has issued an order prohibiting the sacrifice of cows on Bakrid and on other days. Does IUML have any opinion on this matter? Will they submit a petition in the Supreme Court for an appeal, or will they let it pass without causing any trouble to the alliance leadership? So you have the reaction now from the BJP as well as the DMK. Let's now listen in to this reaction that we've got from Congress Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament from Tamil Nadu, Christopher Tilak, on this story.
Getting celebrated. There is a verdict which has been given by the Delhi High Court to completely ban the slaughtering of cows as well as calves. The administration has also been given directions to make sure that this is being implemented on the ground. DMK, on the other hand, DMK spokesperson has basically questioned the IUML's official stand upon this entire matter, as it is also a part of your coalition government. What's your response to that, sir?
See, the High Court has given the order, correct? So now the government, along with its team of lawyers, would surely revisit the order, and they will try to find out how to work on this particular High Court order. And personally, what I feel is, more than a cow slaughter issue, there are too many big issues in this country, like the price rise. And as a nation who claims to be Vishwaguru, we have not been able to conduct the NEET exams properly. 22 lakh students are going to reappear for this exam. Rather than focusing on all these issues, I think the people have been slaughtered politically. Bakra ban gaya. So I think we have to focus on these issues rather than getting into all this kind of cow slaughter, which are all very medieval. And as a progressive nation, as a nation to progress ahead, I think we should focus on the real people's issues and let us not get dragged into these kind of issues.
Thank you.
Let's go across to my colleague Dharini for more on this. So Congress Party's leader there calling it a medieval issue. We've got a reaction from the BJP. We've got a reaction from DMK. But what is it that TVK has to say on this entire controversy following the order?
Well, until this point in time, neither the TVK nor the government has reacted to this development. In fact, when we tried getting in touch with a couple of TVK spokespersons, they told that they are waiting for instructions from the party high command to react to the story. So far, the TVK has not reacted to this development yet. And of course, we're also trying to get a reaction from the Chief Secretary or the DGP, because these two are the individuals towards which this Madras High Court order has been directed, towards whom the Madras High Court order has been directed. So let's wait and see what stance the government is going to take, if the government is going to comply with this particular order or not is something that remains to be seen. But meanwhile, definitely the DMK on one hand is seeking an explanation from the IUML, because currently the IUML is an active ally of the TVK government here in Tamil Nadu. They've got one cabinet berth, so they are actively part of the coalition government here in Tamil Nadu. So what is going to be the IUML stand? Will the IUML also comply with the Madras High Court order, or will they have a difference of opinion is something that remains to be seen. And if IUML has a difference of opinion, what will TVK being the ally of IUML do?
Right.
Is something that is also a $1 million question at this point in time. So Chief Minister Vijay has just left for Chennai from Delhi. In another couple of hours we can expect him to land in the Chennai airport, and after landing in the Chennai airport we can wait and see if Vijay is going to hold any meeting with the higher authorities here in the state to discuss this matter.
Right. Dharini, stay on with us. More breaking inputs coming in right now.